In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. Whether it's sharing personal moments, staying connected with friends and family, or promoting businesses and brands, social media platforms have revolutionized the way we interact online. One phenomenon that has captured everyone's attention is going viral, a term used to describe content that spreads rapidly across social media channels. But what exactly makes something go viral? Is there a secret formula behind it? In this article, we will delve into the science behind going viral on social media and provide you with practical tips on how you can achieve it too. Understanding the emotional objectives, your reader's problem. Before we dive into the intricacies of going viral on social media, let's address the underlying problem faced by many individuals and businesses alike, struggling to gain visibility in an overcrowded online world. With millions of posts being shared every minute across various platforms, standing out from the crowd can be challenging. This lack of visibility often leads to frustration and hampers one's ability to reach their target audience effectively. The unique rationale. What you will get out of this article. By exploring the science behind going viral on social media in this article, you will gain valuable insights into how content becomes widely shared and discover practical strategies for increasing your chances of achieving virality yourself. We will break down complex concepts into easily understandable terms so that readers from all backgrounds can benefit from this knowledge. The numbers game. Concrete takeaways for success. Understand your audience. To create content that resonates with your target audience, it is crucial to understand their preferences, interests, and pain points. Conduct thorough research using analytics tools available on various platforms such as Facebook Insights or Twitter Analytics to gather data about your followers' demographics and behavior patterns. Emotion is key. Emotional content tends to perform better on social media as it elicits strong reactions from users. Focus on creating content that evokes positive emotions such as joy, inspiration, or surprise. Use storytelling techniques and relatable narratives to connect with your audience on an emotional level. Visual appeal matters. Humans are visual creatures, and compelling visuals can significantly enhance the shareability of your content. Invest in high-quality images, videos, or infographics that grab attention and convey your message effectively. Timing is everything. Posting at the right time can make a significant difference in terms of engagement and virality. Analyze when your target audience is most active on various platforms and schedule your posts accordingly for maximum visibility. Harness the power of influencers. Collaborating with influencers who have a substantial following can amplify the reach of your content exponentially. Identify influencers whose values align with yours or whose expertise complements your brand's offerings to create authentic partnerships. Engage and interact. Social media is all about building connections and fostering relationships with your audience. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and mentions to show that you value their input and appreciate their support. Expanding on points. The science behind going viral. Now let's delve deeper into the science behind going viral on social media platforms. The network effect. When one person shares a piece of content, they expose it to their network of friends, followers who may then share it further within their networks, creating a ripple effect that increases its reach exponentially. Social proof. People tend to trust recommendations from others more than direct advertising or promotion from brands themselves. When something goes viral, it gains credibility through social proof as people perceive it as being endorsed by others in their network. Novelty factor. Novelty captures attention because humans are naturally curious beings seeking new experiences. Creating unique and original content that stands out from the crowd increases its chances of going viral. Emotional triggers. As mentioned earlier, emotions play a significant role in driving virality. Content that evokes strong emotions such as awe, amusement, or empathy is more likely to be shared as it resonates with people on a deeper level. The conclusion. Cracking the code. In conclusion, going viral on social media is not just a stroke of luck but rather a result of understanding the underlying mechanics and psychology behind sharing behavior. By implementing strategies such as understanding your audience, creating emotional content, using compelling visuals, posting at optimal times, collaborating with influencers, and engaging with your audience actively, you can increase your chances of achieving virality. Remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to going viral as each platform and audience has its own dynamics. Experimentation and continuous learning are key to finding what works best for you. So go ahead and crack the code. Create captivating content that speaks to hearts and minds, and watch it spread like wildfire across social media channels.